Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope all my super kids are doing really well. So, this is Yashika, and I am back here again only for you with Swiflearn, that is India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10, where we provide 100% live and interactive classes to you. All right, so I hope you all are ready and energized enough for this session because today I have come up with a really interesting techniques for you. Techniques? You must be thinking, which techniques am I talking about? So, if you are the person who is trying to make a very peaceful and effective night study routine, then this video is for you because I would be discussing top 8, yes, mark my words, top 8 effective night study routine tips which are really going to help you become a night owl so that you can study well and efficiently and score good marks in your exam. So, are you ready for that? Yes, of course. So, without any further delay, we are here with the topic for today. But topic start करने से पहले, those who are here and those who are watching me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get regular updates of these videos and so that you do not miss any important update from us. All right, that's great. And also, all my lovely viewers, do not forget to like and share this video as much as you can. Great. So we are here now. So let's try and think day versus night. Daytime, nighttime. I am confused. So let's discuss the top 8 night study routine tips in this bumper video. All right. So these are the objectives in which you would be learning the secrets to study well at night. I hope you all are really eager to learn that. So let's get going. All right. Let's move forward. So we are here now. You are either an early bird or a night owl. या तो सुबह पढ़ सकते हैं आप या फिर रात को. But when it comes to learning, what is the best time? Is it in the morning time or at night time? सारे myths को आज हम खत्म करते हैं and let's see what are the benefits of night routine. काफी लोगों से आपने सुना होगा it's always preferred to be an early morning person to study during the morning hours, but no, that depends on you, your personality, your mind, and of course your schedule, that whether you get time in the morning or at night. सो काफी लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको अर्ली मॉर्निंग ड्यू टू देयर जॉब, ड्यू टू देयर होम टास्क, ड्यू टू व्हाटएवर उनको टाइम नहीं मिल पाता टू स्टडी इन द मॉर्निंग टाइम. So, what's the solution? How can you study efficiently at night without falling asleep and without even thinking about anything else going on around you? So, कैसे होगा ये? इस टिप से. So let's have a look. Night, night and night. आज हम सिर्फ night के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. How can you become a night owl? So, you know what? Your mind is free to explore more alternatives at the night time. But do not forget that if you are trying to do some analytical task, जहाँ पे आपको information analyze करनी है, analyze करके you need to break it into different parts, and then you need to understand morning time is a good option. But if you're doing some creative tasks, working on some assessment writing, making some notes, night time is the best time for you. Why? Because many authors, songwriters, and even scientists prefer to work at night because they feel that they tend to think more creatively. And we cannot deny the fact that even a study says that night owls are more likely to be creative than early birds. Is it true? So it is true to some of the extent. ऐसा नहीं है early birds are not creative. But you can be creative, even more creative at night when you don't have any distractions, anything that you need to think about. So, you know what? That Barack Obama himself is a self confessed night owl. उन्होंने खुद ये बात confess करी that yes, I tend to be more creative at night. So how about you? Are you a night owl? Let's have a look. अब हम शुरू करने वाले हैं tips of the day. So, which is better, daytime, nighttime? Let's have a look. Top 8 night routine tips. Mark my words, after this video, you would be feeling so motivated that you would actually be making your own night routine. So, let's have a look on the very first tip. Good food is, of course, a good mood, right? Do you agree with me? So, for that, what do you need to do? Let's suppose tomorrow you have your science exam. आज आप पढ़ने बैठे रात को around 10 p.m. and you had that energy in you that I'll be studying up to 1 or 2 a.m. सोचा तो बहुत अच्छा. Plan is great, but अब you need to bite something ना. कुछ तो खाना पड़ेगा, भूख तो लगेगी. तो आज क्या खाया जाए? I guess Maggie. Right. Maggie is everyone's favorite, and when it comes to atta noodles, oats noodles, masala Maggie, and whatnot. So, Maggie? No. It's 10 o'clock. I really don't want to eat Maggie. How about some biscuits, right? I can bite my favorite biscuits. That's a good idea. पर बिस्किट्स अकेले अकेले कौन खाता है यार सो व्हाई नॉट टी टी इज अ बेटर ऑप्शन टी एंड बिस्किट perfect combination no not in a mood to have tea today so coffee right coffee is my favorite it really makes me feel energized I can go for coffee no आपके साथ भी होता होगा ऐसा what to eat what not to eat it's night time and I'm here to study all right so let me tell you अगर आप भी ये सोचते हैं so no sugary food at all sweets नहीं खानी है रात को desserts नहीं खाने हैं do not munch over your favorite donut while studying okay so it will make you feel really restless and nothing else all right so you can have caffeine ऐसा नहीं है that you can't have coffee or you can't have tea ऐसा नहीं है you can have but in small doses healthy doses all right remember do not go overboard go for protein rich foods over glucose carbohydrates sugars avoid at night no sweets and no cakes no pastries no cookies with lot of sugar yeah you can have some good drinks like you can have Horlicks, Bonvita, you can have milk, Complan. Even if you don't want to add any such thing, you can have plain milk too. All right. So milk is a good option at night. It helps you to concentrate better. तो ठीक है. Why not bite right? जब bite करना ही है, so let's bite right. All right. तो आगे चलते हैं. Bite right करने के बाद, it's really important for you to break right. क्या break करना है? स्टडी रूटीन ब्रेक कर देना है नो यू नीड टू टेक शॉर्ट ब्रेक्स यू नीड टू टेक एटलीस्ट 10 minutes break after every hour this is really going to reduce your fatigue and increase your durability and of course you will be able to concentrate better so after every hour पहले तो टाइम टेबल बनाए फर्स्ट आवर में साइंस करना है सेकेंड आवर में मैथमेटिक्स थर्ड आवर में सोशल स्टडीज एंड देन डू नॉट forget to take a 10 minutes break after each hour do not feel your time is getting wasted mind my words this 10-minute break is really important for you to concentrate all through the night all right तो इसमें आपको कोई कंजूसी नहीं करनी आगे so let's try our best I know while listening to this video you are trying to best to make your own routine night study routine and I am there for you ab tip number 3 stay well away from the bed very very important do not get really comfy right it's about studying it's about concentrating so stay away from your bed at all costs बिल्कुल भी बेड पे बैठ के नहीं पढ़ना because bed makes you way too comfortable और आपका बिल्कुल मन नहीं करता है to get out of your comfort zone and study all through the night stay away from the bed at all costs. So this was tip number 3. Here we are with tip number 4. Avoid heavy dinners. तो अभी तो आपका मन कर रहा था मैगी खाने का या फिर हमारी ये प्यारी सी कॉफी पीने का, राइट? बट दैट्स अबाउट स्नैकिंग. यहाँ पे हम स्नैकिंग की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डिनर. सो बिफोर यू गो टू बेड, इट इज ऑलवेज सजेस्टेड that do not eat heavy meals before that, because this increases your chances of falling asleep. Mind my words, you feel lethargic, you feel really restless. तो होता क्या है? Try light snacking, light but healthy. Also snack intermittently during those 10 minutes break. अभी बात करी थी 10 minutes के break में खा सकते हैं, पर एक बार बहुत heavy dinner करके बैठना, not going to work. Because you know what, this will really make you feel monotonous. आपको बहुत lethargic feel होगा, and eventually you will fall asleep. तो वही तो नहीं करना. So do not go for heavy dinners. पर क्या करें, कड़ी चावल तो सबके फेवरेट है, और अगर राजमा चावल बन जाए तो बात ही क्या है. और वो शाही पनीर, दैट इज एवरीवन्स फेवरेट नाउ. पर शाही पनीर आज नहीं तो कल भी खा सकते हैं आप. बट एग्जाम तो कल है ना. सो फर्स्ट think about your exam and not about what you need to eat. Snack light, snack healthy, bite right. So this was tip number 4. अब हम आगे आ गए हैं टिप नंबर 5. स्विच ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. अब this might be sounding impossible to you. This doesn't really sound interesting. How can I switch off electronics in this 21st century when I need to learn from my laptop, when I need to learn from my phone? कैसे करूं मैं? और वो वाईफाई ऑफ करने के बटन पर तो मेरा हाथ ही नहीं पहुंचता है. So how do you need to do that? डाउनलोड ऑल द मटेरियल वेल इन एडवांस. सब कुछ पहले डाउनलोड करके रखें. डू नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम इन सर्चिंग ओवर द इंटरनेट. ऑलराइट, कीप योर पीसी ऑफ द वाईफाई, एंड सेम गोज फॉर योर फोन, because most of the distractions are due to those gadgets because of an internet connection. तो रूट कॉज को ही खत्म कर देते हैं. स्विच ऑफ द वाईफाई, keep your gadgets away from you, and this will definitely help you put in a good study night, right? This might sound impossible, this might sound tough for the initial few days, पर आगे जाके आपको खुद इसके benefits पता चलेंगे. So this was pro tip number 5. So let's have a look on pro tip number 6. Set regular alarms. That tring tring voice, you should be really comfortable with it. क्यों? क्यों लगाने हैं alarms? Is it the morning time that I need to wake up? No, you don't need to wake up, but you need to stop yourself from falling asleep. तो अब अलार्म हम उठने के लिए नहीं लगा रहे हैं, खुद को सोने से रोकने के लिए लगा रहे हैं. So ensure that you do not fall asleep in this course of your study. And also, alarm is a good thing to keep yourself of reminding of how much time has passed since you started, and it's a good marker to measure your productivity. Let's imagine you started doing geography at 10 p.m. and it's 1 a.m. now. Still you're doing geography. Do you feel you are productive enough? क्या एक ही subject करने से you'll score those extra marks in your exam? No, not at all. So really important for you to keep a track on what has been covered and what needs to be covered. For that, do not forget to set regular alarms. All right. So this was tip number 6. Now time to have a look on the second last tip. Write as you read. I would really tell you this is one of the most important tips regarding night study routine or even the morning study routine. It's always a good idea to keep a notebook and a pen with you. Only reading the content will not be helpful for you. This will eventually make you feel really bored, and होगा क्या? Books कहीं side में, आप गए bed में, enjoying your peaceful sleep. यही तो अवॉइड करना है. सो ऑलवेज कीप pen and notebook with you. Make some notes. Write as you read. You do not have to write word by word. Just small little notes, and you would be able to learn and comprehend what you are reading, right? So writing makes a coordination between your mind and your hand, right? So this actually helps you study at night, in the morning, or anytime. Keep highlighting the text. Keep highlighters with you. अपने साथ highlighters रखें. मेरे पास यहाँ पर कुछ highlighters हैं. I have this color, this fluorescent green color. कुछ और colors भी होंगे मेरे पास which I use for my notes. I have this orange colored highlighters. So I always keep them with me whenever I make notes or I study. I have these sticky notes. इनका use करती हूँ मैं so as to write some important points. Alright. So ये सारी चीजें आप भी use कर सकते हैं in order to write as you read. So this was your pro tip number 7. Time for the last tip, but of course, this is not the least tip. Keep moving. So, keep moving का क्या मतलब है? Move करते करते पढ़ना है? No. Keep moving means that you need to keep changing your locations. Just imagine you are sitting at one place and you kept on studying for 3 to 4 hours at a stretch. Won't you feel monotonous? Right? You would. So, karna kya hai? After every hour or a couple of hours, according to your convenience, keep changing your location. If you were there at your study table, move towards the sofa, or even you can sit on the floor. That is the most peaceful thing to do, right? Keep changing your positions, your locations. This will preserve your mental orientation you started with. So, end तक concentration बना रहेगा, proper mindset रहेगा, and this will help you to focus more and sleep less. आप बात को जरूर समझें. If you will sit at one place and you will keep on studying at a stretch, ज़्यादा देर तक नहीं हो पाएगा. So to maintain consistency, keep moving after 1 or 2 hours as per your convenience. All right. So this is done. The 8 pro tips so as to become a night owl and make your own best night study routine. So did you enjoy? Yes, you did. And of course you did a great job by following these tips with me. पर सिर्फ आपको ये सुननी नहीं है. You have to apply these tips in your life and see the difference. Remember, word by word, किसी tip को follow नहीं करना है. Because we all are different, you need to choose your own routine. You are free to add your own points. You are free to make your own explorations. All right? So, some of you must be night owls, whereas the others can be early birds. Choice is yours. The only thing is you need to keep your focus. All right. So, thank you so much for staying tuned with me throughout the session. I am signing off for the day. I really hope that these 8 pro tips to study at night really helped you. So, do let me know in the comment box you like them or not and try and apply them in your life. All right. So, thanks a lot. Do not forget to subscribe if you are a new viewer to our channel. And for all those who have been watching me, do not forget to share and keep on hitting the like button. All right. See you there in the next session. Have a great day ahead.